How to delete your WeBull account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete your WeBull account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to delete your WeBull account, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and just make sure to launch the WeBull application from the menu. Once you launch the WeBull app, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to just complete the menu tab from the bottom right of the screen. Then just tap the settings icon over here. Then go to account and security from the very top. Once you're on this page, you want to scroll down, look for this option called delete account, and then just tap on delete account button. Right over here, just tap the option called delete, and then your WeBull account will be successfully deleted. You can read the warning that says all your data will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered anymore. Are you sure you want to delete your account? So hope this video was helpful to you guys as to how you can delete your WeBull account. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.